This is still day one, probably 10 hours after surgery. Surgery went well. My hip feels better now than it did beforehand as far as the joint. The pain is definitely at bay, and it feels like just like a really sore hip flexor, a really extremely tight hip flexor. So that's about it. I've walked a few times already, had PT in recovery, and then tomorrow morning I'll have PT again, and then I'll be going home. And I'll get a video of walking, but I can definitely walk without a walker, but I'm not going to ditch the walker just for falling reasons. But I am very pleased and very shocked how quick it is to feel better as far as the throbbing and pins and needle pain and just the years of battering. And so I'm really excited about it, and I'll keep it posted for day 2.